Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss some MCQ questions with solution of your civics book, lesson 2, the role of the government in the health. Let us start, student. What does PHC means? Private health center, public health center, primary health care, all of these. The right answer is primary health care. What percentage of communicable diseases is waterborne? 21%, 30%, 15%, none of these. The right answer is 21%. Which one is not a waterborne disease? Diarrhea, hepatitis, worms, cancer. The right answer is cancer. According to a data of 2000, how many hospitals do we have in India? 11,000, 18,218, 13,124, 14,231. The right answer is 18,218. What does RMP means? Retired medical practitioner, registered medical practitioner, recognized medical practitioner, none of these. The right answer is registered medical practitioner. Who are medical tourists? They visit India to procure certain herbs and plants medicine. They tour India to avail free medical facilities. They come to India for treatment in some of the best hospitals. None of the above. Here the right answer is they come to India for treatment in the some of the best hospitals. Why is the health of most people in our country not good? Because healthcare facilities are inadequate, because government is not serious towards the public health, because of the corruption in government hospitals, because of lack of basic amenities and low special condition of the people. The right answer is because of lack of basic amenities and low social condition of the people. Private health services are not owned and controlled by private individuals, not owned and controlled by the government, established to serve the poor and the needy, none of these. The right answer is not owned and controlled by the government. What is the main purpose of private health service? To serve the people, to provide medical treatment at low cost, to earn profit, to work as a link between government and private hospital. The right answer is only to earn profit. Why is treatment in the private hospital is expensive? Because doctor prescribe unnecessary medicine and test. Because doctor prescribe costly medicine and injection. Next, both A and B, none of the above. Here the right answer is both A and B, because doctors prescribe unnecessary medicine and test, because doctor prescribe costly medicine and injection. Which of these area is the most neglected in terms of healthcare facilities? Urban areas, rural areas, town, tribal area. The appropriate answer is the tribals area, whose health concern are generally neglected in the family in our Indian society. Children's, women's, men's, old men's and women's. Here the right answer is women's in the family. Which major step was taken by the Kerala government in 1996? The entire budget was given to the panchayats. About 40% of the budget was given to the panchayats. Dozens of governments, hospitals were opened. Strict family planning measures were enforced. Here, the right answer is about 40% of budget was given to the panchayats. Costa Rica took a crucial decision several years ago. What was the decision? To make weekly health checkup compulsory for all, to enhance the defense expenditure, to lower the defense expenditure, not to have an army. Here the right answer is not to have an army. Thank you. Have a nice day.